What's the meaning of admire? Admire. 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 To admire someone means to have a deep respect and appreciation for them. Admiring someone can be due to their qualities, achievements, or actions. It is more than just liking someone. It is having a reverence for them. When we admire someone, we may look up to them as role models or sources of inspiration. Admiration can also lead to feelings of motivation and desire to emulate the admired person's behavior or attributes. Overall, admiration is a positive emotion that stems from recognizing admirable traits in others.